Welcome to Getting Started with Playing Guitar. My name is Eric Andreas, also known online as Your Guitar Sage. You're about to embark on an incredible guitar course that has 25 lectures that have PDF support. This thing is over 2 hours long, and I promise you that by the end of this, it will unravel any mysteries that you have about the guitar. Now, I've taught for a very long time, and whenever I have new students, they always have these myths. They think that their fingers are too short or too fat, or that they don't have talent, or that they weren't born into the right family. They don't have anybody who was a musician before them, or whatever. These are all myths, and I promise you that what it's going to take is practice, and it's going to take good instruction, okay? Now, the good instruction part is where I come in. Okay, I have been playing and teaching for more, or close to, I should say, close to 30 years. I've taught hundreds of students for thousands of hours. If you were to check me out on YouTube, I have over 112,000 subscribers and somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 million views. Okay, that's a lot of views, a lot of folks that are learning how to play guitar, and I get letters from folks all around the world saying that I've literally revolutionized the way that they're learning guitar, and they finally have gotten this, okay? So now this course is specifically laid out in a way that I've learned that over the decades is the perfect way for a student to learn, in an order that works in order, that builds upon each concept, and that you don't get lost, okay? I promise you this is going to change your playing. Let's take a look at some detail into the course here so that it makes more sense to you.
Okay, so let me walk you very quickly through the course outline and show you just how quickly you are going to be mastering the guitar. So as you can see here, we have 4 modules and even some bonus videos here at the bottom. Now, for those that have just started playing guitar, you've never picked the guitar up, this is a great place to start, because I literally start you at the beginning showing you the parts of the guitar, what they do, understanding their functionality, which will literally unravel a lot of mysteries and help with your technique. Okay, these are things that a lot of people skip over, but then they wonder why they're having issues later on. Do not skip this section, it's going to help a ton. In modules 2, 3, and 4, I get into more of the calisthenics, dexterity, how to play chords, the whole 9 yards, which is really going to break things down for you and make you a ninja in a very short amount of time. Okay, there's even a functionality inside the course that will allow you to mark the lectures complete so that you're not going back and forgetting where you were at in the course. Super cool functionality there. All right, so again, to recap, we're talking about 25 videos with PDF support, over 2 hours of HD quality video, all there for you for free. The only thing you have to do is get in the course. So get in there now. See you there.